Well, hey there everybody, welcome to my channel. As you see, this is my very first video for this channel. I decided to do an unopening or unboxing for the first video. Now, first off, let me go ahead and tell you guys, this channel will be for tips and tricks, reviews, unboxing, and just all around modeling ideas and stuff like that. So, this video, just because this is the first video for this channel, that don't mean that all my videos are going to be just like this. So I got this today, and as you see, it's still in the package, still in the plastic. I never got or done this or made this brand before, the Trumpeter. And actually, I have never really bought or ever built a military model before. But I'm going to end up doing this later on in the future. So it's going to have to be opened sooner or later. So I'm going to go ahead and open it on camera. I got it for 20 bucks. I thought that was a pretty cool steal there. And as you see, it's 1/35 scale. I've done some research on this. And I come to find out that it can go quite expensive online. So let's go ahead and show you the item number is right here, 00395. All right, it's got the figures in there. All right, let's go ahead and open this. I thought this was pretty cool. This was up under here. So I guess a doctor had this and shipped it off. And turn this around. It says help hospitalized veterans, non-profit organization, which that's really cool. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Something I really hate doing is opening kits sometimes, but hey, I'm gonna build it sooner or later, so it's gonna have to be open anyway. Alright. Huh. It's pretty cool, I guess. Alright. Let's see. Is this? Yeah. Alright. Give me a tight fit. Oh, something else right here. 440 parts. It's gonna be pretty cool. Alright. So this is how it looks once I open it. Oh, it's a lot of parts there. A lot of parts in one piece. Now I'm not going to be calling any of these pieces off by name because I have no clue. Like I said, I've never done a military style kit before. Quite a lot of pieces in here. Clear parts. Wow, that's a lot of pieces. 440 pieces. Let me know in the comments if any of you have built this, or any of you that actually built this brand, Trumpeter, which I never have. This brand probably does all military style stuff. Well, what I can see here, this is, looks like luggage, baggage, stuff like that. Oh, look, here's the figures. So I see right there is a a leg. If there's a leg. Pretty good detail, actually. Pretty good detail. But there's a face, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 faces, so I'm guessing 4 figures. There's a face there. $20 for this kit. I didn't think it was too bad of a deal. I wished I knew what some of these parts was called so I can do a little bit better review or unboxing on this. I'm not gonna open any of the plastic. Here's the decals. Okay. What's this? Oh, that's cool. It looks like I could fold these up, make like boxes and crates and stuff. Oh, this is heavy right here. This is metal die cut, etched. 2007 is the year on this. This is metal, etched parts. That is awesome. That's awesome. So I guess this is like the main body here, and over here is another one. Nice panel lines. I don't see any flash. Good quality. I'm guessing this is gonna go somewhere like that. Be about this big. 135 scale. Roughly that size. See, we got some nice tires here. Really nice tires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tires. Alright, let's see what else there is here. We got the instruction sheet. Oh wow, it's in color, like a Mobius. Well, this is in color, I see. I guess that just shows all the colors here and where they can go for extra details. Painting and marking guide, okay. Wow, this is quite heavy. This is a pamphlet here. 440 pieces, so I'm gonna quickly go through this. So right here is the main fuselage body, I guess. I'm gonna quickly go through these. See how many steps there is. Let's see. That's where the tires get put on there. Like I said, I have no clue what any of these parts are. Wow, this pretty easy to read. I read some reviews online, and a lot of people said that the instructions was hard to understand, hard to read. From what I can see, everything looks pretty straightforward. Maybe it's just like the location. It's like it doesn't really show the location that well. I don't know, but for me, I think it looks pretty simple, straightforward. That's just what I read online. Alright, we're at step 29 on this one. Getting all the final parts and guns and pieces on there. Step 30, 31, 32. And so it's got 32 steps. And oh, right here is the boxes from what I had earlier. These right here. Boxes there. Okay, that's what that is. Alright, wow. Alright. Well, that's it. That's everything. This is kind of a throw together video here, and I'll have more better planned videos later on. Like I did say earlier, I'll be doing more videos, and mainly I'll be doing like automotive, regular vehicles, cars, trucks, things like that. But yeah, guys, I hope that you all hit the like on here and just stay tuned. I'll be doing a lot of tips and tricks and stuff that I've acquired over the years. Been doing this quite a while. This is just my first military kit, believe it or not. But yeah, pretty cool kit. Whenever I do build it, I'll go ahead and post it up on this channel. Again, let me know in the comments, has anybody ever built this before? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later on.